This kind of sand is just impossible to cycle on. Just 100 kilometers of this kind of road. You know, my butt's as tender as veal right now. Saw a total of 4 cars in the last 2 days traveling on this road. Okay, shoes and socks go over first. Now, oh boy, the bloody water must be very cold. It is. What the cold, freezing cold. Nothing like a 20 kilometers climb. Done a 0-degree morning into a hot day. Whew. Oh, this is really weird. In the middle of the desert, in the middle of nowhere, there's this shipping container sitting over here. It says gold. I think this is a container full of gold. Ha! Man, the big bad wolf is here! Run, quick! Big bad wolf is here!